The art of not forcing, embracing flow and ease in life. Presented by Mind Matters. In our fast-paced world, the pressure to be constantly productive and in control can overshadow the importance of inner peace and overall well-being. But what if there's another way of living? In this exploration of the transformative power of the art of not forcing, we discover how it enables us to live authentically and find joy in the journey. Let's learn how to let go of the constant push for achievement and instead embrace the natural flow of life. Illusion of control. We often deceive ourselves into thinking we have full control over our lives. However, countless factors lie beyond our control, such as unexpected events, the choices of others, and life's inherent unpredictability. When we attempt to force outcomes, we subject ourselves to an endless cycle of frustration, stress, and burnout. Surrender and trust. The magic of the art of not forcing begins with surrender and trust. Surrendering doesn't mean giving up or being passive. It means accepting what is and letting go of attachment to specific outcomes. Trusting that things will work out in their own time and in the best way possible allows us to release the need for control and embrace a more relaxed and harmonious approach to life. It cultivates flexibility, adaptability, and openness to different possibilities. Finding the flow. Forcing goes against the natural flow of life, creating resistance and blocking the energy that propels us forward. To find the flow, we must be in tune with ourselves, recognizing when things align effortlessly and gracefully moving in that direction. It requires paying attention to our gut feelings and intuition, allowing them to guide us. Power of patience. Patience is an essential aspect of the art of not forcing. It reminds us that good things take time and rushing disrupts life's natural rhythm. Just like waiting for a flower to bloom, constant digging up of the soil hinders progress. Patience allows us to stay present, fully engaged, and receptive to the opportunities that come our way. Through patience, we learn to trust and let go of the need for immediate results. Embracing the process. The art of not forcing encourages us to embrace the process itself, rather than fixating on the end result. It invites us to enjoy the journey, savor the small victories, and learn along the way. Each challenge and obstacle becomes an opportunity for growth, self-discovery, and acquiring valuable insights. This mentality cultivates resilience and perseverance, equipping us to handle setbacks and failures as integral parts of the process. Cultivating self-compassion. In the pursuit of not forcing, cultivating self-compassion is crucial. We tend to be our own harshest critics, berating ourselves for not achieving enough or not pushing harder. However, this self-criticism is neither healthy nor helpful. In fact, it hinders our well-being and our ability to embrace the process and let go of forcing. By being kind, understanding, and accepting of ourselves, we create a nurturing environment that allows for natural growth. Self-compassion helps counteract negative self-talk and self-judgment when things don't go as planned or when mistakes are made. In conclusion, the art of not forcing is a transformative practice that deeply impacts our existence. It involves releasing control and embracing the natural flow of life. Surrender, trust, patience, and self-compassion are key to experiencing this transformation. When we embody these qualities, we create an authentic and fulfilling life aligned with our deepest desires. Remember, the most beautiful and meaningful moments often occur when we simply let go and allow things to unfold. So, go ahead and let your life flow. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends so we can continue creating content like this. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell for more videos. Be sure to check out our other videos as well. Thank you for watching.